Graduate assistants, Jessica Antonioni, Zach Hazelwood, Gordon Hickett, Alana Tate, and Stephen Wolf. Cook advisors, Jenny DeStefani and Amy Killiger. Color guard instructor, Gary Hilton. Drum majors, Greg Abraham, Jeff Barnhill, and Kelly Natella. Lead controllers, Kelly Mountain and Caitlin Smith. The voice of the Carolina band is Pat Wiley. Ladies and gentlemen, friends and students, we proudly present the mighty sound of the Southeast. Your Carolina marching band.
Good seat this year.
I wish just everybody was on it. Like at Clemson where everybody wears orange, it is so good.
Yeah. That's good.